Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent Podcast. Learning English is easy and fun. I'm Mary.
Hi, Mary. It's so good to be here today. How are you?
I'm great, John. Thank you. How about you?
I'm a little hungry, Mary.
Hungry already?
Yes, thinking about dinner.
Oh, what dinner?
I'm thinking spaghetti with tomato sauce, garlic bread, and a fresh salad.
Wow, John, that sounds delicious. You're making me hungry too.
Sorry, but that's a perfect idea for today's podcast.
Yes, it is. Let's talk about cooking dinner in English. Yes?
Exactly. Cooking dinner and speaking English can be easy and fun.
That's right. It's a great way to practice English and learn new words. Today, we'll talk about English conversation in the kitchen.
First, remember, subscribe to Mr. Fluent Podcast. Give this episode a like if you love food, and share it with your friends and family. It really helps us.
Yes. Thank you, everyone. So, John, I'm in my kitchen, ready to cook. What's the first step?
Good question. First, wash your hands. Very important. Then, gather your ingredients.
Which ingredients do I need today?
For spaghetti, you need spaghetti noodles, tomato sauce, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a fresh salad, lettuce, tomato, and cucumber.
Spaghetti noodles, tomato sauce, garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, lettuce, tomato, cucumber?
Perfect. Now, heat a pot of water, add some salt, and wait until it boils.
Boiling water. Okay. Then what?
Add the spaghetti noodles and cook for about 8 minutes or until they are soft. Stir occasionally. Careful, it's hot.
I see. 8 minutes. Stir. Careful.
While the pasta cooks, prepare the sauce. Heat olive oil in a pan. Add garlic. Fry for 1 minute. Then add tomato sauce, salt and pepper. Stir slowly.
That smells delicious already. And the salad?
Chop lettuce, tomato, cucumber. Put them in a bowl. Add a little olive oil and a pinch of salt. Toss gently.
Chop lettuce, tomato, cucumber, olive oil, pinch of salt, toss gently.
Great! Now, check the spaghetti. Is it ready? Drain it carefully and put it on a plate.
Okay, spaghetti is ready. Pour the tomato sauce on top and it's done.
Perfect. Serve it with garlic bread and the salad on the side. Enjoy your dinner.
John, can I try some?
Of course. Here you are. Is it delicious?
Yes, it's delicious. I love it.
See? Cooking dinner in English is easy when you learn the steps and practice the words. You can practice at home by yourself or with a friend.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's okay. Everyone learns.
That's right. Just try. Enjoy the process and practice your English while cooking.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you all for listening.
John, today I want to learn about preparing ingredients before we start cooking.
Yes, Mary, that's very important. Preparing ingredients is called mise en place. It means everything in its place before cooking.
Oh, I see. So what do I need to do first?
First, wash all the vegetables. Lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and any herbs like parsley or basil.
Wash lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, parsley, basil.
Perfect. Then chop or slice them, depending on the recipe.
How do I say cut them in pieces in English politely?
You can say, please chop the tomatoes into small pieces, or slice the cucumber thinly.
Please chop the tomatoes into small pieces. Slice the cucumber thinly.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about kitchen tools. Do you know some common tools in English?
I know. A knife, a spoon, maybe a pan.
Yes, very good. Knife, cutting board, spoon, fork, pan, pot, measuring cup, whisk. These are basic tools you need for most recipes.
Knife, cutting board, spoon, fork, pan, pot, measuring cup, whisk.
Perfect. And some tips for safety. Always hold the knife carefully, cut away from your fingers, and don't leave hot pans unattended.
Okay, careful with knives and hot pans. Safety first.
Exactly. Now let's talk about measuring ingredients. For example, if a recipe says 1 cup of flour, you can use a measuring cup and scoop the flour, level it.
1 cup of flour, use measuring cup, scoop, level it.
Very good. And if a recipe says 1 teaspoon of salt, use a small spoon and measure carefully.
1 teaspoon of salt, use small spoon, measure carefully.
Perfect. Now, another useful tip. Always read the recipe from start to finish before you begin cooking.
Why is that important?
It helps to understand the steps and know which ingredients and tools you need in advance. It saves time and avoids mistakes.
Read the recipe first before starting. Got it.
Great! Now, let's practice some common phrases for the kitchen. You can say, please pass me the salt. Or, can you stir the soup?
Please pass me the salt. Can you stir the soup?
Excellent! And if you need help, you can say, could you help me chop the onions?
Could you help me chop the onions?
Perfect. Another tip for describing food while cooking. You can use words like fresh, hot, cold, sweet, salty, spicy, soft, crispy.
Fresh, hot, cold, sweet, salty, spicy, soft, crispy.
Very good, Mary. Now, let's imagine we are making a salad together. I say, please wash the lettuce. You reply,
Okay, I will wash the lettuce.
Excellent. I say, can you chop the tomatoes? Your reply,
Yes, I can chop the tomatoes.
perfect. And I say, please toss the salad. Your reply?
I will toss the salad carefully.
Excellent. See? Cooking dinner in English is easy when you practice phrases while doing the steps.
Yes, I feel more confident now. And it's fun, too.
That's right. Practice step by step and repeat the phrases often. You'll remember them easily.
Next time, can we talk about cooking different types of dishes, like soup or stir-fry?
Of course, Mary. That will be fun and very useful for learning more kitchen vocabulary.
John, today I want to learn about different cooking techniques. Can you explain them step by step for learners?
Yes, Mary, of course. There are many ways to cook food. Let's go slowly and learn each one.
Okay, let's start with the first one.
The first technique is boiling. Boiling means cooking food in hot water. For example, pasta or vegetables.
Boiling. Cooking food in hot water. Pasta or vegetables.
Very good, Mary. The next technique is frying. Frying means cooking food in a small amount of oil in a pan, like frying eggs or vegetables.
Frying. Cooking food in a small amount of oil in a pan, eggs or vegetables.
Excellent. Now, baking. Baking is cooking food in an oven. Examples are cakes, bread, or roasted chicken.
Baking, cooking food in an oven, cakes, bread, chicken.
Perfect. Next, grilling. Grilling means cooking food on a grill with heat from below, like grilled fish or vegetables.
Grilling. Cooking food on a grill. Fish or vegetables.
Very good. And finally, steaming. Steaming means cooking food with steam from boiling water. For example, dumplings or broccoli.
Steaming. Cooking food with steam. Dumplings or broccoli.
Excellent, Mary. Now, let's learn about seasoning. Seasoning makes food tasty.
Seasoning. What should I use?
You can use salt, pepper, herbs, spices. For example, basil, oregano, paprika, garlic powder, or sauces like soy sauce or tomato sauce.
Salt, pepper, herbs, spices, basil, oregano, paprika, garlic powder, soy sauce, tomato sauce.
Very good. When cooking, always taste your food. You can say, it needs more salt, or it's perfect.
It needs more salt. It's perfect.
Perfect. Another important point is cooking time. You can say, cook the chicken for 20 minutes or simmer the soup for 10 minutes.
Cook the chicken for 20 minutes. Simmer the soup for 10 minutes.
Good. Let's practice asking preferences in the kitchen. You can ask, do you like spicy food? Or do you prefer pasta or rice?
Do you like spicy food? Do you prefer pasta or rice?
Excellent. And if someone asks you, do you want more sauce? You can reply, yes, please.
or no thank you.
Yes, please. No, thank you.
Very good. Another useful phrase for teamwork in the kitchen is I will chop the vegetables, you can cook the meat.
I will chop the vegetables. You can cook the meat.
Perfect. And finally, words to describe food while cooking. You can use tender, juicy, crunchy, soft, flavorful, delicious.
Tender, juicy, crunchy, soft, flavorful, delicious.
Excellent, Mary. See, using these phrases helps learners speak English while cooking. You're also boosting your vocabulary and confidence. Keep practicing and you'll be a whiz in the kitchen. Enjoy your cooking adventures with English.
Yes, I feel more confident and I understand better now.
That's right, Mary. Remember, practice these phrases every time you cook, and your English will improve naturally.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you all for listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope you feel ready to cook dinner in English and try these phrases at home. Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Fluent Podcast so you don't miss our next episodes. Share this episode with anyone learning English and comment below. Tell us your favorite dinner to cook.
Spaghetti, pizza, salad? Let us know.
We look forward to reading your answers. Thank you again for joining us. Until next time, keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.